takes me to this page that am I sure that I want to remove it. So I'll just click on remove, and automatically Facebook will process it and it's going to remove it. You can see it here that this card has been removed directly. So Facebook does not have access to charge this card anymore. Hello beautiful set of people, you're welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time of seeing a content like this is the voice of Zionhublogistics and my name is Samuel Joshua. So in today's tutorial we are quickly going to be looking at how you can remove your debit cards on Facebook ads account. Now there are some reasons that might prompt you to get into this. Maybe you don't want Facebook to be deducting your money anyhow, or you are not having access to the card again, you want to add another card. That is what I'm going to be showing you today. But before we dive into it, please, if this is your first time, kindly hit that subscription button by liking our video, comment, and also share to whomsoever that you think this video will be helpful to. And also, I am Facebook expert. We look at I'm into digital marketing. I can help you run adverts. If you want to target different audience, I can help you target different audience, and I can also help you run adverts completely. Now let's assume this first advert here. I spent 1,003 and this is the total click here, right? Which simply means this advert really converts, right? Now looking at the second one here, I spent just 3,000 naira and I have over 223 people that click on this link and join the group, right? So that having been said, let's dive into the tutorial properly. So the first thing you want to do here is to come over to this settings icon here. So you want to click on it, right? So after clicking on it, it will open this page for you. So you want to click on this billing tab, this billing and payments here. So you click on it, right? So after you must have clicked on it, this is what you should have here. So, and you can see here that these are my cards. I have two different cards that I've added. In my previous video, we look at how you can pay your default payment. If you have been trying your debit card and it's not working, we look at the cards that we can use. So if you fall under the category, you can check the description button of this video. You are going to be seeing the video there, so you can watch it on how you can also be able to lift the restrictions on your ads account, so you'll be able to make payment yourself directly with your debit card. So right, that having been said, so the first thing, another thing you want to do here to remove this card is very simple. Just click on here, click on the card itself. You want to click on it. So clicking on it will takes you to this page. Just go here directly. Just let me try to drag this up. So just click on remove, right? So I'm going to click on remove now. So it will takes me to this page that am I sure that I want to remove it. So I'll just click on remove, and automatically Facebook will process it and it's going to remove it. You can see it here that this card has been removed directly. So Facebook does not have access to charge this card anymore, right? So I'm going to click on done, then go to the second one again. Click on the same place that I clicked here, right? So once you click on it, it will take you to this page. You want to click on remove again. So once you click on remove, you want to click on turn off. That means this advert will turn off, right? So you are going to turn it off and it's going to remove directly. You can see here that the advert has been turned off, and what, I don't want them to charge this card anymore. So I'm going to be using my prepaid balance to run advert. So I'm going to click on done. So once I refresh this page now, the card will be removed directly because I don't want them to charge this card anymore. That is why I'm doing this, right? So I'm going to be using my prepaid phone. So if I'm to go back now, refresh this tab, it will be removed directly. Remember, we've removed the first one there. So if I'm to click on it now, it should take I think this one should take under 24 hours. The card will be removed directly because I don't want Facebook to charge me on this card again. What I'm doing now is to do what? To use my prepaid card. I use my, what's it called, I use my prepared balance. If I'm to click on add funds now, I will just go to payu. What I use now is payu. So it's as very simple as that, right? So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial, and thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.